Hello, foreign friends. This is JR from JRC Visa Consultancy and Immigration Services. So we're gonna start on the Philippine visa and immigration facts. So first things first, on this episode, we will be discussing to you and we'll be running through you the process of the visa application from the Bureau of Immigration, because there are visa applications which are endorsed by the different government offices with their corresponding tasks. But let's focus first on the Bureau of Immigration. So there are visa applications that are actually major, as what we actually call, like the spousal visa, the 9G working visa, the quota visa, a lot of visas that can be issued by the Bureau of Immigration. So the first process or the first step of the process is the completion of your paperwork. So wherein you're gonna need to comply all the necessary requirements intended for that particular visa, wherein it is established that the certain qualifications will be indicated for you to be qualified on that particular visa. So that's for the first step. Really, like, to comply with all the necessary visa requirements so that you would be able to file it at the Bureau of Immigration. Now, speaking of filing, the next step after you complete the requirements will be the actual filing of your visa application, wherein you need to make sure that your visa application requirements are complete so that it will be now accepted, and then it will be ready now to proceed with the next step, which is the visa approval. The visa approval is the actual evaluation of the Bureau of Immigration on your eligibility of that particular visa. So that is where they will be evaluating you if you are really qualified for the visa or not. Now, the fourth step after the approval of your visa is what we call implementation. This is where you actually have your approved visa order or approved visa to be in effect or to be implemented on your actual passport, so that it will be enforceable. Without that, that visa approval will not be in effect up until it is implemented. So basically, it's just a layman's, it will be a layman's term also, as what we call stamping or implementation, or it may be defined as the actual stamp of the approved visa on your passport. Now, let's go to the fifth and final step. The fifth and final step is the issuance of the ACRI card. This is an Alien Certificate of Registration Identification Card. The ACRI card is an identification of your visa. So in effect, that is a supporting proof that you are legally holding a valid and legal visa in the Philippines. Without that, your visa application is not complete. So you need to secure that ACRI card, which will normally commence after the implementation of your visa. So in effect, that is the entire process of the visa application here in the Philippines. This episode will actually give you an overview what are the step-by-step process, together with what are the things that you can do for you to start and finish your visa application. So, the next episode will be talking more in detail on what are the specific requirements or what are the necessary steps for you to complete that, so that you can move forward to the next step towards your visa approval. This is JR from JRC Visa Consultancy and Immigration Services, and we are now talking on the Philippine visa and immigration facts. If you have some questions in mind, please do comment on this video in the comment section, and don't forget to click like and subscribe so that you will be updated on our next video. Should you have any other special concerns, please message us and we will attend it to the best that we can and as soon as we can. Thank you, and see you on our next episode.